Hi guys, it's David again, back with some more logo designs.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
In this video I wanted to show you one of the projects that I've been lately working on. It's a project for a small company that deals with, that sells safes, and it's called Be Safe. This is the logo design that they chose. It wasn't my favorite. I came up with, well, in my opinion, better designs, but you know, the client wanted this. I've showed them other variations, other concepts of the logo, like this one, or like this one, and also one that looked kind of like this, because they wanted they wanted a safe from the beginning. But this is actually the final project, so I wanted to show you how I created this one. First thing that you can notice about this project, about this this logo right here, is that it looks like it has a bunch of different circles, like they are stacking on top of each other. And you are actually right. When we go to the outline view, outline mode, you can see that there's a bunch of circles right here. But I wanted to show you a better way to do this. I actually don't know why I did it like that. Now that I've come up with a better way to do this. So let me show you how to do this properly and well, be more flexible with projects like this one. So I got a new artboard ready and waiting for me right here. I got the colors that I need, and if you can notice that there are just three colors right here. This is a dark, really dark blue, some grayish white, and a gray color. Okay, so let's start. First thing that I want to do is I want to create a simple ellipse, right? So I'm just gonna, but maybe before I do that, I think it would be better if we just dragged some guides out. We are going to do a lot of let me just clear these guys, a lot of rotating, so I think that it's good to have guides up. They don't have to be ideally in the center of the artboard. They're just here for us to make our work easier. Because what I want to do now is I want to create an ellipse, and I want to create it right in the middle, right in the intersection of these guides. So I'm just going to hold on the Alt key and the Shift key to create a perfect circle, just like so. And as you can notice here, we got, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 circles in total. The first one is gray. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it gray, like so, and just zoom out, zoom back a bit. And the other one is blue, dark blue. So what I want to do now is I don't want to just like copy, paste it in front, then change its color, then maybe change its size. You can do that. It's really up to you, but I just want to show you how we can how we can create all these 9 circles with different colors and different sizes with just one circle. So it will save us time, it will save us disk space, and it will be easier for us to work with. That's just my opinion. I want to show you how to do it, well, in my opinion, the right way. So I'm gonna delete this one, and with this guy selected, I'm gonna go to the appearance panel, and I'm gonna simply drag this fill over to the new fill icon, and what I get is a totally new well, fill. That's the same color and that's the same size. But what I want it to be, I want it to be dark blue. Okay, so I will change its fill to dark blue, but of course, since it is the same size, it's covering our bottom fill. If I move it to the top, you can see that the gray fill is below the blue fill. So what I need to do now is I have to make it smaller, right? I want to make it look like something like this. Of course, my recreation won't be exactly the same. It's more about the technique. I want to show you how to do it, not to how perfectly recreate this one. Besides, if you want to follow along, if you do it on your own, you will see that you will have a bit different results, which is totally fine. And it's about experimentation and just checking what looks nice and what doesn't. So I will make this blue fill a bit smaller. So I will go to the effects icon. I will click here and I will choose Distort and Transform and Transform. Okay, and in here, what I want to do is I want to uniformly scale it down. Let's see by how much. Let's see, 95%. That's maybe not enough. Maybe 90. Yeah, let's leave it 90. And when I go to the outline mode again, you can see that it's just one circle. What we did is we applied the live effects, live fills and transformations, and we did it only with one circle. So we are going to repeat this step 7 more times, starting with the, let me see, the white circle. So again, I'm going to select this guy. I'm going to essentially clone the blue fill, and you might want to notice that we didn't only clone the size or the color of the fill, we also cloned the effect applied to our fill. So now all we need to do is just go to, well, maybe first let's make it white so we can see it better. And now in the transform panel, I will make it a bit smaller. Let's see, maybe 80. I think that's going to be a bit too much, so let's try 86 maybe. Yeah, it should be fine. Let me check with the original. Maybe just a bit smaller, maybe 82. Let's see. Yeah, that should be fine. So as you can see, we are starting to get something here. And when I go to the outline mode again, it's still just one circle, even though we have three. We have three circles essentially. So the next fill, you know what? Maybe I will just copy this guy or all these guys, so I don't have to like slide back and forth. I will just copy it here, so I can just see all my circles right here. Okay, so we got the gray one, we got the blue one, and then the white one. So the next one is again the blue one, but it looks like it's like really thin, right? So what I will do is I will simply again clone this guy, this fill, make it blue, and I will make it smaller, maybe to 80. 80 should be fine. What we are now want to achieve is this line right here that kind of looks like a stroke of this blue thin circle. So 80 should be fine. And the next one is this well, I think the biggest or maybe the most visible white circle. So again, I'm just gonna drag and clone it. I'm gonna make it white. Oh, come on, make yourself white. And in the transform panel, I will bring it down to, let's see, 75%. Will it be okay? That might be a bit too much. 78. Yeah, 78 should be fine. It doesn't have to be exactly like this one, like the original. As long as we are keeping up with the stack in order, everything should be fine, and everything will be ready for us to change it should we wish so. Okay, so this was this guy, the most visible white circle. So the next one is this thin blue circle. So again, I'm just gonna duplicate it, make it blue, and make it like considerably smaller. Let's go with 50. maybe even smaller. Let's go 48. Okay, the next one is this gray circle. So again, duplicate, make it gray, and make it smaller, maybe 46. 46. Let's preview this guy. We don't want to move it. 46 should be fine. The next one again is the blue one. So again, I'm going to just duplicate it, make it blue, make it, let's see, 40. Yeah, that should be fine. And the last one is the center white circle, and I'm gonna make it white again, and I'm gonna make it small. Let's see, 35. Is 35 okay? I think it's okay. Okay, and now when we go back to the outline mode, you can see that it's just one circle, nothing else. There are 9 circles in total right here, and it's just one circle here. Okay, I don't think I will be needing. No, I think I will be needing the guys, and I will need the guides because what I want to do now is I want to recreate these bars, these stripes right here.